If you have potatoes in your home, make this delicious dinner in just a few minutes. I will start by adding 5 potatoes in a pan. I will season with a teaspoon of salt, then I will add water until everything is covered. I will let cook for 20 minutes. I'll cut 250 grams of ham into small pieces. Then I'll slice an onion. Tell me if you have any recipe with potatoes, I would love to know. Now I'll add some olive oil in a pan. Then I will put the ham to fry. I will stir constantly with a spatula not to burn. The result of the recipe will surprise you. Then I'll add the sliced onion to sauté. I'll stir again. This recipe is delicious. Make it at home and then come back here to tell me what you think. In another pan, I will add 2 tablespoons of butter to melt. I will stir to facilitate the process. Then I will add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour and stir again. Done this, I will add 500 milliliters of milk. I will add gradually and stir until it reaches the right consistency. I will season with a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of oregano. I will stir everything one last time until the seasonings are added to the mixture. Now I will add some of the mixture in a container. Then I will add the boiled potatoes over the mixture. Then I will add the ham with the onion over the potatoes, like this. I'm sure this recipe will become routine in your home as soon as you taste it. Now I'm going to pour the rest of the mixture over everything, spreading well. Finally, I will add mozzarella to taste in our recipe, but this part is optional. You can use the amount you want. I will put a lot because I love cheese. I'm gonna bake in the oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. After the time is ready, our recipe, look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Shannon, who from the United States. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Is an amazing recipe, quick, easy, goes few ingredients, and best of all, it's delicious. There's no reason for you not to do it in your home. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.